All right, so if you want to automate your YouTube videos using ElevenLabs Pro, yeah, this is where things get really powerful. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow step by step. First, quick idea. The Pro plan unlocks better voices, more credits, voice cloning, and faster production. Start by choosing a niche for your YouTube channel. This could be facts, tech, motivation, or storytelling. Next, create your script. You can write it yourself or use AI tools to generate it quickly. Then go to ElevenLabs and choose a premium voice. These voices sound much more natural and engaging compared to the free ones. For better branding, you can also use voice cloning to create your own custom voice. After that, paste your script and generate your voiceover. You can adjust settings like stability and style to improve clarity and make the voice sound more natural. One of the biggest advantages of the Pro plan is batch content creation. You can generate multiple voiceovers at once, which is perfect for automation. Then combine your voiceovers with video editing tools, add visuals, subtitles, and background music. Finally, upload your videos consistently and track performance. As you grow, you can scale your workflow by creating more content using your available credits. So yeah, ElevenLabs Pro can help you fully automate your YouTube voiceover process. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI automation guides coming soon. All right, so